In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make CapCut 60 frames per second, so your edits look smoother, cleaner, and more professional. Whether you're editing gaming clips, TikToks, YouTube videos, or short-form content, switching your project to 60 frames per second can make a big difference in motion quality. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump into CapCut on PC. The first thing you want to do is open your project dashboard and make sure you're inside the project you want to change. Once you're in, click on an empty grey area outside the timeline tracks. This clears any current clip selection, which is important because you want the project settings to show properly. If a clip is selected, CapCut may show clip-specific options instead of the main project settings. Now look up to the upper right section of your interface. You should see the Details panel there. This is where CapCut stores key project information, like resolution, frame rate, and other settings. At the bottom of that Details list, click the Modify button. This opens the Project Settings pop-up, and this is where you can change the frame rate for the entire timeline. Inside the pop-up box, find the Frame Rate drop-down menu. Click it and you'll see the available options. Select 60 frames per second from the list. This is the setting you want if you're aiming for smoother playback and export quality. After selecting 60 frames per second, click Save to apply the change. At this point, your CapCut project timeline is locked in at 60 frames per second, which is exactly what you need before exporting. If you don't see the frame rate updated in the project settings, there's another place to check before you finish. Head to the blue Export button in the far top right corner of the window. Click it to open the export screen. In the export settings, you can also change the final frame rate parameter directly to 60 frames per second if it wasn't already set in the project settings. This is a great extra step because it makes sure your final video exports at the correct frame rate. Once that's set, review your export options. One last time. Make sure everything else looks right, then click the bottom Export button to render your project. CapCut will now process the video and export it in 60 frames per second, giving you a much smoother final result. And that's it. You've now learned how to make CapCut 60 frames per second from start to finish. This is a really useful setting to know, especially if you want your videos to look more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.